Absolutely makes your AC zero maintenance, and you never have to put caustic chemicals like bleach and vinegar down there that can be hazardous to your system. iFlo, it actually monitors and maintains your drain lines and actually injects enzymes into them that eat the bacteria so that you never have to clean those anymore. All your maintenance on it is taken care of. In fact, not only does it clean out the drain lines itself, but we give you everything you need in the kit to self-install and actually shoot that solution up into the drain pan first to clean from the drain pan and then drain all the way out, cleaning all of the pipes all the way to wherever they exit your house, even if you have a condensate pump on your system. It will clean it all for you without you even having to touch it or think about it. So this is going to save you a lot of money, a lot of hassle, and make you a whole lot comfortable within your home. And again, it's going to do all the thinking for you. You can find iFlo at buyiflo.com, Amazon. You can find it at Lowe's and Home Depot right there in your local stores. And we've just been picked up by Ace as well, so you're going to start to see those in our Ace stores as well.